How to read books offline on Wattpad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can read books offline on Wattpad. So if you're also looking out for a video on how we can do it, this is the right video for you. So let's just get started and look out on how we can do that. First of all, head over and open up the Wattpad app on your device. And once you're here, you can go ahead and look out for the stories that you want to download from the Wattpad. So you can look out for those kind of stories right here. For example, this one right here. So what you're going to do is simply head over to that story, tap on it, and you can find a library tab here. You can go ahead and add it on your library, either your private one or you can create up your reading list, also customize it. I'm just going to go ahead and add it here. So once you've added, you can find this section at the bottom. At the middle, you can find this library section. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you're here, you can find your reading list here. So in order to read these books offline, you need to have a premium version of the Wattpad application. Unfortunately, the updated version of Wattpad only allows you to read these books offline if you have the premium version. So in order to get the premium version, in order to purchase it, you can find this option called Try Premium at the top of your screen on your dashboard of your Wattpad. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and look out for the plans here. You can go ahead and buy the plans that is suitable for you and just go ahead and purchase it. After that is done, you will be able to find a download option right beside the book you want to read offline, and you can read that book offline. So that is how you do it for now. That is how you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.